Close the blackout curtain and gauze curtain, leaving only the bottom for easy exhaust, such as windows, stove hole, and other reserved positions in the open state. Please close it first. Pull out the 12 ground nails that hold the windproof rope and store them away. Pull out the 6 ground nails that secure the tent and store them away. Unscrew the valve and start to deflate. The inflatable house has 2 air valves located on the 2 door side air columns. Can be opened at the same time for deflating faster. After deflating, make a width comparison according to the width of the storage bag. Roll up the inflatable tent to fit, and pack it into the package along with the nail pack, pump, and repair bag. Complete the storage of the Play-Doh inflatable air tent.